Up. Good. On the other side. That is good. Here, lay there, bud. Take a big breath. Yeah, one more. Yeah. Ooh, that was good.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that adjustment is what I needed.
There you go.
So I feel amazing already. I don't know what it was. It was like maybe something was just pinched in my back.
Yeah, you get stuck in there, then the muscles and nerves and everything reacts. There you go. There you go, Danny. I like it, man.
Thank you again.
Yes, sir.